But this fact of conversion of Ghulam Qadir as Qadiani disbeliever was not disclosed at the time of sanctioning of the impugned inheritance mutation. Full stop. It is settled law of Sharia that the estate left by a deceased Muslim owner cannot be inherited by a non-Muslim. Here full stop. For reference in this regard, a hadith of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, from Sahih al-Muslim is reproduced as under the book of the shares of inheritance 4140. It was narrated from Usama bin Zaid that the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, a Muslim does not inherit from a disbeliever and a disbeliever does not inherit from a Muslim. Full stop. Further, in the British rule, the personal laws of the respective communities dwelling in India were protected through promulgation of legislated law. Full stop. New paragraph. Similarly, the Muslim personal laws were also made applicable to the Muslims through Muslim Shariat Application Act 1937. Full stop. Section 2 whereof is as under: application of personal law to Muslim notwithstanding any custom or usage to the contrary in all questions bracket start safe questions relating to special property of females, comma, including personal property inherited or obtained under contract or gift or any other provision of personal law, comma, marriage, comma, dissolution of marriage, comma, including talaq, comma, hula and mubarat, maintenance, comma, dower, comma, guardianship, comma, gifts, comma, trusts and trust properties, comma, and waqfs other than charities and charitable institutions and charitable and religious endowments. The rules of decisions in cases where the parties are Muslims shall be the Muslim personal law bracket close full stop. In view of above, comma, the first question framed above is answered in manner that a non-Muslim is not entitled to inherit any share from the estate of his Muslim relative as successor or predecessor. Full stop. New paragraph. In view of the aforesaid facts and circumstances of the case where it was established that Ghulam Qadir, comma, predecessor in interest of the defendants, was a Qadian at the time of incorporation of inheritance mutation of Nathu, whereas his father Nathu was a Muslim. As such, Ghulam Qadir was not entitled to inherit from the estate of his Muslim father Nathu. As such, the trial court rightly decreed the suit of the respondents, which decision was lawfully upheld by the appellate court. Full stop. Learned counsel for the petitioners has not pointed out any illegality, material irregularity in the impugned judgment and decrees passed by the courts below, and has not also identified any jurisdictional defect. Full stop. The concurrent findings of facts and against the petitioners which do not call for any interference by this court in exercise of its revisional jurisdiction in absence of any illegality or any error of jurisdiction. Full stop.